Welcome back, guys. Hope you're doing really great, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I went over to Horry County, just over the state line of North and South Carolina, and I visited the Vereen Historic Memorial Gardens. The gardens are a very popular place for nature lovers. They have hiking and trails to walk, and you could kayak, and there's fishing. It's just beautiful. It's really nice. The land was donated, I want to say in the 70s, to the Horry County Historical Society, and before that it had originally it had belonged to the Vereen family, and you'll recognize that name if you're from Horry County. That name is plastered on a lot of things. You hear Vereen a lot. It's different spellings, but they're all the same. It's all the same origin. And they got land back in the 1700s. They had a huge plantation. It's a big deal, big family, big everything. Mr. Vereen, he hosted George Washington on his southern tour, much as William Goss did in North Carolina. He was the next stop. And so a lot of people associate the Vereens with George Washington's southern tour. Now, what I came to the Vereen Gardens for was to visit, of course, a cemetery. There is a Memorial Garden Cemetery, a Vereen Family Cemetery here. I don't know myself. I've looked. I can't figure out if there's actually anyone physically buried at this cemetery, or if it's just sort of like some stones put down in memory. What I did see was that some of these members of this family had been buried at another cemetery, like in Wampee, South Carolina, which is quite a ways down the road, but that cemetery was destroyed. I don't know how it was destroyed. I'm not sure if it was because of hurricanes or development, possibly. I don't know. I'm not sure. I haven't figured that one out yet. I'm sure maybe someone knows. They can leave a comment and let me know. I appreciate it. But anyway, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. Take care. Bye.